Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a big news here and there is a great news here. So TCS has started sending offer letter for the exam which was conducted on 5th of December and 11th of December. Okay, so TCS has directly started sending offer letter. So what is the twist here? So there is no interview conducted. Okay, so neither HR and nor technical interview is conducted. Without the interview, TCS has started sending the offer letter. So definitely friends, many of the student has got it, and even many of them has got email for the interview rounds. Now the question here is, you need to confirm this offer letter only in the next step portal. So do not be happy with this email. That is what I wanted to say. So you also need to check your next step portal. So in your next step portal, if you're getting the offer letter, do accept it, and then you can say yes, you have been selected in this TCS drive and you will be now a part of TCS. So let us go through the email which you have received from the TCS. Okay, so congratulations, we are delighted to inform you that you have been successfully completed our initial selection process. We are pleased to share the TCS offer letter with you. Your offer letter is available in your next step account. Okay, so in your next step account, if the offer letter is available, please accept it. So we can also say your marks were very good, and that is the reason TCS has started sending directly the offer letter. So follow the instructions given below to accept our offer letter. So connect to the internet and click on this link. This is nothing but next step portal link. Log into the system using login credentials, and then to accept the offer letter, click on offer letter. Click on I accept button to accept the offer letter. Once you accept the offer letter, you can download the same. We will be in touch with you to keep you abreast of the latest happening at TCS. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. So for any queries are there, they have also given the toll free number or ILP support number. Okay, warm regards, Tata Acquisition Talent Acquisition Group. Okay, now so you can also see in the other email they have mentioned the date when was it conducted. Okay, so let us go through that. So TCS Careers, again dear, greetings from the Tata Consultancy Services. Congratulations, basis on your performance in the TCS online test conducted on Sunday, December 5th, 2021, you are being considered for an offer with TCS. The offer has been processed. Basis your eligibility information as provided in the TCS application form, which indicates the below percentage. You have a minimum aggregate all subjects in all semesters, marks of 60% or 6 CGPA in each of the 10th, 12th, diploma, graduation, and PG if applicable. Okay, so now friends, so this we will consider, right? See, because this is the first time, at least I am getting this, that TCS has started sending the offer letter without conducting the interviews, and that too there will be multiple rounds of interview in TCS, like you'll have TR, you'll have MR, and you'll have HR. Okay, but without this only they are doing, so they might have the requirement at the earliest. Okay, and see, there are many people who have written the exam and they're still waiting for the results. See, so if you are waiting for the results, or if your interview is not conducted, or if something has happened, then definitely this information is with TCS. So only TCS can tell why your the interview is delayed, or why you are not getting any kind of result, any kind of information. But those who have got it, please accept the offer letter. Those who have got the interview mail, so please prepare for the interview. We are helping you out with the interview materials all over. So you can comment down, we will also put the link for interview material so you can prepare for your interview. So we are always there to support you guys. So take your step, okay, and be happy. So only when you see in the next step portal your offer letter. Okay, so till now your fight should be on, and definitely this might have come from the TCS itself. So do not it might happen that they have a requirement and then they will be sending it, but please wait till you get in the next step portal, because you need to accept it, and then only the further procedures will start. Okay, and those who have got the interview mail, please start preparing. So we will be helping you in the interview. So till then, all the best, take care, and wait for the right moment. Those who have not got any kind of email, please wait. You can send a mail to TCS. Okay, you can ask about your status. You can also call on their helpline, because TCS is the right person to tell about why your interview is delayed, why you are not getting result. we are not the right person, because we also do not know about the particular student why his or her result is delayed. All the best. Take care. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.